are having major contest of
paper airplane.
Paper airplane, yes!
Let's mark it. Alright. And let's cut it. Alright. Careful, don't push too hard. Just screw it in a little bit. Ready? Go ahead. Yeah, so we got a little start on the garage, the framing. Yeah, we didn't get too far, but you know, we made a little progress, and that's all that matters. We're not really in too much of a rush to get it done, and I appreciate Aiden helping me, my little helper, doing good out here. High five. All right, yeah, we'll keep you updated with it. Still gonna do the framing, electrical. We got quite a bit to do. Oh, you guys playing Transformers together?
I built it myself.
Wow.
I actually built one. A complicated one. See this? Look it. I built it. Nice.
Are having major contest of
Paper airplane.
paper airplane, yes! And there's Austin's airplane. He's already started. Well, show them your airplane. Oh, never mind. Can you show them your airplane? Where's your airplane? There it is. What's that? Oh, I guess this airplane is on the floor, and he was thinking about sitting on it. So, let's show the contestants. Please stand up here.
Alright, me first. Because I'm obviously going to win this contest. My airplane's going to go farther, faster, and better than anybody's.
And contestant number 2.
I'm gonna beat you, and you.
Really?
Yeah.
And contestant number 3. Oh, who could win? Muna?
But
You're going to kick Aiden's butt? Good call. And contestant number 4.
I kick everyone's bum-bums.
Alright, here's the rules.
I'm gonna kick your bumbo.
Here's the rules. Everybody gets the same sheet of paper. You get one sheet of paper. If you mess up, you don't get another one. Okay? And whoever goes the farthest is the winner.
I will.
Does everyone understand the rules?
Yes.
Aiden?
Yes.
Nima? Austin? Okay, you get it. Perfect. Alright guys, you got 5 minutes to make your airplanes. And go!
Go.
Alright Nima, time's up. Are you done? Let's see it. You say a little something about your plane.
It's very fast. It's very pointy. And the wings are very strong.
My airplane is better.
How come?
Because it's mine.
Alright, and who's gonna go farther?
Mine.
And who's gonna go faster?
Mine.
Alright guys, I'll explain the rules. We each get 2 shots. Okay? We're gonna go in order. Each one gets one shot, and then we'll do a second round. The farthest one wins, and if someone hits the wedding picture, they automatically win. Game's over, okay?
Okay. Game's on.
And you have to stand behind Rhodey over there.
Yep.
Okay?
Who's going first?
You.
You can go first. Oh, it's negative.
Let's see yours next.
All right, so the first up was Aiden. He got -1 foot, I'd say. All right, Nima, your turn. Well, I didn't even see where that went. Where'd we go? Oh! I'd say 1 foot forward and about 4 feet sideways. All right.
Your turn. Where's Austin?
And here comes the jet plane. I don't know what all these amateurs are making. All right.
You want to fly a plane?
All right. You ready for this?
Yep. Okay.
See you get smoked.
All right, Chris.
Oh, wow. That's right.
Oh my God! No way.
Did you see that? All right. Oh.
Rudy's down. Rudy is medic.
No cheating just because you got negative last time. You can't move Rhodey. That's the rules. Oh, -2 feet.
I'm done.
-2 feet. Austin, you see that? Do you see brother? Yeah, hey. You're the first person in history to get -2 feet. All right.
Mama's turn.
And Nima's turn. Normally, I'd say watch out because Austin's there and you might hit him, but I don't think there's a chance that you will. I think Aiden's in more danger than Austin is.
Austin, watch out!
Whoa. Did we modify our plane in between rounds? That's not part of the rules.
What are you talking about? It's just
Yeah. I think your wings are stubby enough. I don't think you can afford to have little flaps on them.
I don't have a flap.
All right, let's see it. Oh my God. I don't even know how that's possible because I'm pretty sure it flew into the air and went that way. And then dive bombed.
Well, we lost.
All right, Austin, you want to take Daddy's second turn?
All right.
Second turn.
Here you go. You can have the trophy.
Yeah.
Show them how it's done. Throw it. Throw it. Throw. It's so sad.
That's what he thinks. My play.
Oh, I know, Austin. It's more of a boomerang than it is a plane. Yay!
Daddy won! Yay! Congratulations, Daddy!
Not exactly.
Oh, you want to pass out yours? Okay, you can
Oh, whoa, behind Rhodey.
change plans.
One last try.
Boom, plane?
Oh, and you beat Nima.
Yep, you bit me.
Yay! Now I get the free fly. Mine's better than yours. You said it's gonna win.
All right, so the order is Austin and me, first place. And then it was Aiden, And then there was Nima's monstrosity.
Hey.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video today.
And we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.